Washington County, northern Rensselaer County, and southern Berkshire County. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impact. Plan on slippery road conditions, especially on untreated surfaces. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday morning commute. Additional details. Precipitation will begin as a period of snow and sleet late this evening, then transition to freezing rain overnight. Freezing rain will then change to plain rain Thursday morning. Slow down and use caution while traveling. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of up to 2/10 of an inch. Where? The southern Adirondacks, Lake George, Saratoga region, southern Vermont, and the northern Berkshires. When? From 9 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impact. Plan on slippery road conditions, especially on untreated surfaces. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday morning commute. Additional details. Precipitation will begin as a period of snow and sleet late this evening into the overnight hours, then transition to freezing rain by early Thursday morning. Freezing rain will then change to plain rain by Thursday afternoon. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The current time is 6:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast.
Okay. Now where did I put? Waiting. Must be PSA? Oh my guys. I might wait for that. Look at that. Yeah. Alright. Let's just talk to me. Okay. PSA. Don't record at the workplace while Bob is doing work. Important work.
You can't record, honey.
But I have the words to give you.
Bye, Andrew.
Okay.
You want a potato thing? Handle, do you want a potato thing?
Then transition to freezing rain overnight. Freezing rain will then change to plain rain Thursday morning. Slow down and use caution while traveling. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulation of up to 1 inch. slippery road conditions, especially on untreated surfaces. The hazardous conditions affect Thursday morning commute. Additional details. Precipitation will begin as a period of snow and sleet late this evening into the overnight hours. Then transition to freezing rain by early Thursday morning. Freezing rain will then change to clean rain by Thursday afternoon. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The current time is 6:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Wind northwest at 17, gusting to 32. Once again, repeating the 6 a.m. weather for the Hartford metropolitan area, it was clear. The temperature was 38 and the wind was northwest at 12, gusting to 21. Now for the 6 a.m.
Yeah, you can tell how there's a winter weather of 5:30. And that's also going to be on my Instagram live, so don't worry about that. But I caught on a San Francisco 100. Let me get this thing back up here. I caught a freeze warning on WXM68 and I meant not a freeze warning. Winter weather advisory on WXM68 and WWF48. Being right in Massachusetts. I can't do this anymore. Okay, we'll continue after this.